Unified engine. Spark provides us a unified engine, meaning using the same engine, you can run SQL queries, graphical computation, and even machine learning models. You don't need separate engines for each. How it helps? Well, within the same Spark application, you can process data by running SQL queries on it, then do some graphical computation on this data, and then run a predictive model on the same data within the same Spark application. Let's take a look at one such application. Within the same Spark application, we can include the imports for SQL, ML, as well as graphical computation. We can first create a data frame, then we can run some SQL aggregation on top of that data. Then from that result, we can create vertices and edges and run some Spark graphical computation, which is where we can run a PageRank algorithm on this data. Then we can use this data to create the features and even run a linear regression predictive modeling on this data. And this all happens within the same Spark application. And this is the unified engine benefit of Spark.